What's up guys? So, welcome sa another 3D Max tutorial here sa 3D Max Tagalog. Nagbabalik si 3D Max Tagalog kasi maraming nagre-request at natuwa sa mga previous tutorials ko kahit matagal ko na yung na-post yun. Yun, nakakatuwa kasi nag 500 views siya. I know it's not much but that's better than, just 10 views, 15 views at nakakatuwa kapag nakakapag-share tayo ng information, knowledge, saka skill. Ako nga pala secret lang muna. Hindi. Ako nga pala si Rael at I'm a 3D visualizer here in Dubai based, and I'm working as a 3D visualizer for about 10 years now. Over 10 years now. So I just want to share as much of yung mga natutunan ko at yung mga experience ko sa inyo. So dahil nga most likely itong channel na to is para sa basic lang naman talaga, which is nahahaluan ng mga advanced techniques, I'm pretty much willing to share as much as possible naman talaga. So don't forget to comment down below, and also kung bago kayo sa channel na to, mag-subscribe na rin kayo. So para sa mga okay, yung vlog ngayon / tutorial is gusto ko i-dedicate para dun sa mga, let's say, mga bagong mga architect na gustong matuto ng 3D Max, kasi probably nakikita ko kasi most of the architects na mga bago na na-meet ko is SketchUp ang gamit. Wala namang masama doon, but it's marami rin kasing advantage ang paggamit ng 3D Max because of lots of tools, mga advantage modifiers kaysa sa SketchUp. So not to say stop using SketchUp kung tingin nyo kung ano naman kayo doon, in good relationship naman kayo sa program na yun. But learning 3D Max, especially kapag yun naman talaga yung required dun sa future work nyo, mahirap pilit yung software na alam mo versus na software na kailangan na alam mo para to get a job. So hope that makes sense. So yan, gusto ko i-dedicate tong tutorial na to paulit-ulit para dun sa mga bago na sa 3D Max, para mga bago na student na para matuto ng 3D Max. So hopefully we can make a lot of tutorials soon, more time to time. I want to make this channel bigger. So let's start. Okay, so sa 3D Max, as you installed, let's say try mo lang kung bago ka, welcome to this channel. Yeah, I talk too much, but it's I want to give information and want to develop, make a good relationship to you guys. So kung bago ka sa 3D Max, after installing, okay lang yan, kahit trial 30 days, it's fine. Kung bago ka sa 3D Max, medyo malaki talaga yung interface ng 3D Max. You have lots of different buttons sa top, sa left and right, sa baba, lot of things talaga. So hopefully matakil natin yung kada isa. But yun nga, basic lang muna. Bago tayo magsimula ng 3D Max, make sure talaga punta ka muna dun sa customize kung bago ka. Yep. Punta ka dun sa unit setup. Tapos sa unit setup, makakakita ka dito yung unit scale. Dito sa metric, make sure it's millimeter. We're using millimeter nga pala sa tutorial na to. So dito click ka rin. As you can see, dito naka centimeter, tapos dito naman naka millimeter. You want these two things to be both in millimeters. So sa tutorial natin, millimeters tayo. Okay. So yan. You can write notes if you want. I'll try to slow down as possible, and tell the buttons that I'm clicking para hindi kayo maiwanan. So, yan. Sa 3D Max, like any other software na design software, if nag-scroll kayo sa mouse nyo, that's gonna be your zoom in and zoom out. And panning is just simply push nyo lang yung middle mouse nyo. Tapos mayroong tinatawag na orbit. Yan. Orbit can be done by holding Alt tapos yung middle mouse. So yan. Hopefully you can try this one. Yan yung mga basics kapag gusto natin matuto ng 3D Max. Yung zooming in, zooming out, panning, and then Alt. Yan yung navigational basics eh. So let's make a plane here. Let's click this one. Ang ganito pa siya nakaklik. Click natin yon, drag, hold your mouse. Pinindot nga pala is left button sa mouse. Tapos right click to finish creation. Kundi pag hindi kayo nag right click, ang mangyayari sa inyo is baka gumawa ng more planes dyan. So again, as 3D Max, universal shortcut is Control Z to make undo. Pag nagkamali kayo, sige. So meron tayong plane dito. Again, zoom in, zoom out is very easy. Middle mouse, tapos ito yung tinatawag na orbit. You can simply hold Alt, tapos yung middle mouse. Yan. Zoom out tayo ng konti. Yan. So sa 3D Max, may maglagay tayo ng another object. Ito nga pala si teapot. Yan. Okay. Click kayo dyan. Just drag and create. Experiment is not bad. These two objects is yung pinaka basics na mga bagay na maganda i-try palabasin pag nakapag-open kayo sa 3D Max. Okay. Now, I want to explain yung konting basic buttons sa taas. Dito naman sa right din at saka sa baba. And so, also yung nasa gitna. So, start tayo sa taas. Nandiyan yung mga tinatawag natin ng menu tabs. So, here yung mga file. This is yung click natin pa. Diyan natin makikita lang pa how to export, import. Yan. How to archive your file para mabuksan ng ibang to send your file to other designers or to other computer. Yan. May group dyan so you can group objects, and sa baba naman yung tinatawag ng mga toolbars. Nandyan ito medyo advanced dito banda. Easy naman to explain, pero let's go dun sa dahil nga para sa mga beginners tong natin. Tutorial for today. This is the move, this is the rotate, and this is the scale. So, meron din natin natawag na select. So, yung select natin, yung Q, yung shortcut key niya is Q. And W is move. E is yung rotate natin. R is for the rescale object. So, pag click natin ng object natin, let's start with the move. So, click natin, for example, yung teapot. May makikita kayo ditong arrows. Ang tawag dito is yung gizmo sa 3D Max. Ngayon, let's zoom a little bit more. Pag nag-press kayo ng X, kahit sa 3D Max, nandun si X, no? Pero okay lang yan. So, pag nag-press tayo ng X, yung niya, stick, kahit saan yung hilain ng mouse, it's just gonna go back and front sa X-axis niya. So, ganun rin, same manner, pag nag-press kayo ng Y, kahit saan yung ihilain ng mouse nyo, same axis lang rin. So, Z, ganun din. Pero pag, let's say, pinaghalo natin si X tsaka si Y by going here in the middle, it will go both axis. So, yan. So, how to rotate objects by pressing E. Okay? Same thing. So, pag tayo, inikot natin sa yellow axis, green axis, you get same things, you get same principles apply from move. Okay? Scale is R. Okay. Yan. Same thing siya. So, let's just fix everything up, yung orientation ng tipat natin by pressing Ctrl Z. Yan, undo muna natin. It's good to work on clean models as possible kasi trust me, you're gonna thank me for saying that kasi clean models, faster workflow. Yan. Clean models talaga. Gusto ko talaga yung pag clean yung model space kasi when things go rough, ang hirap revise ng my experience niyan as you work on any software, as in, so yan, better talaga pag mayroong clean environment. So that's moving the object, rotating the object by pressing E. Actually, pwede nyo rin i-click dito yung sa taas. But I really prefer to use the shortcuts kasi pag sa interview tapos parang dito pa kayo nagki-click, that's, well, kayong bahala, pero that's weird. Better use shortcuts, faster yung workflow nyo. So, tapos na tayo dito sa menu tab. Ito yung toolbars. Ito yung mga snap things niya dito at may mga layers, but that will be for next tutorials na lang. At least now you know how to zoom in, zoom out, rotate, tapos pan, tapos how to move objects in 3D Max. Kung sa paano pa lumangoy, at least hindi na kayo malulunod pag nagbukas kayo ng 3D Max. You know how to move around, at least basic stuff, no? Okay, so here is what you call the control panel, which is dito natin makukuha yung tinatawag natin yung standard primitives. Nandiyan yung box. Yan. Pag nakapagbukas kayo ng 3D Max, make sure you explore yung mga stuff na nandito. Yan. So 3D Max gives you yung basic things na tipat, yan, which is introduced na siya. Meron text dyan, so pwede kayo mag-type ng ganyan. So yan, ganyan. Pwede siya lagyan ng ng extrude, yan. So that's how you make some 3D text in 3D Max. Cone, may cone dyan, which is ice cream, cone, geosphere. Yan. Pag may nagtanong sa inyo, anong pinagkaiba ng geosphere at saka sphere, it's not the spelling alone, but pag nag-F3 kayo, makikita nyo yung geosphere is made of triangles, tapos yung sphere natin is made of squares. Yun na yun. Just want to share, just in case may nagtanong, at least alam nyo sasagot nyo. Plane is, yun na nga siya. Let's make another one here. Yan. Tube is something that talagang parati talaga nagagamit yan. Actually, lahat naman talaga sa 3D Max. Depende lang talaga sa how you want to work with it. So, tapos na tayo sa standard primitives. Marami pa dito, but yun muna for the basics. Ito yung tinatawag nating shapes. Spline, meron tayong line dito. Yan. Meron tayong rectangle. Tapos circle, ellipse. Meron tayong arc. N-gon. Alam nyo ba N-gon tawag doon? Sa 3D Max, they have this terms pero you have to work with it. May egg. Yan. May freehand, which is ewan ko paano nyo gagamitin yon, but it's there for you to 3D Max to assist you. Yan, may rectangle, promise gagamitin nyo talaga yung rectangle in these tutorials na bigay ko. Ellipse, donut, yan, and star is one of my favorites kasi pwede mo pwede mo siya bawasan, gawin mo siyang ganyan, and you get different effects. Marami siyang klaseng magagawa. Helix is yung minsan ginagamit sa hagdan. I'll be honest, hindi ko pa nagamit yon. I'll just download hagdan na sa mga 3D warehouse from the internet to make my life more easier. So lights yan for advanced na. Pero kung gusto niyo matuto ng about how to light up interior or exterior, or just want to learn the basics or see the how to use the lights, that is rendering in 3D Max, tingin lang kayo dun sa other tutorials ko, kasi dun na talaga itong intense ba yan. Basta hope you watch my other tutorials here in this channel. Again, if you're new in this channel, please subscribe. So what we did is just ulitin ko lang, konting recap. Now you know how to zoom in, zoom out, rotate, orbit, pan, and move objects in 3D Max by clicking and pulling the arrows. Yan, click nyo dito so you can rotate stuff. Yan. So from this point, probably nagtatanong kayo, okay, paano? So, can we start modeling in that for ano ba yung mga natutunan namin ngayon? Yes, marami na kayong magagawa by just using this basic stuff na tinuro ko just now. For example, let's make a box. Click rin natin itong auto grid. Sa auto grid, yan. For example, gawa tayo ng ng box na parang tsokolate, tapos gawa tayo ng isa pa dito. Yan. Then you can copy objects in 3D Max. Click natin itong move. Hold shift and then let's move to this to the right side. So automatic nag-copy si 3D Max. You can select both by holding control and select the other one. Press shift, hold that one, tapos move nyo siya papuntang taas. Si 3D Max ay nagtatanong, how many copies do you want? We just want one of ng paang to. Yan. So minsan nagaganon siya, but you can fix this one, yung rectangle. Yan, mas mas maganda. Okay. So dito tayo sa paano natin babaliktarin to. This is our basic table. So just in case kaganina yung nag-box ako, clinic ko lang auto grid. So auto grid makes you use the surface of any object para sa base ng minomodel yung box, like that. Hope that makes sense. Tas kailangan natin i-flip yung table na to. Let's go here, click this one, right click, and then this is the angle. Let's make it 90 degrees. Click nyo yan, tapos rotate natin siya. Click natin to. Yan. So tanan, so from that meron na kayong basic table. So I know probably if you're not new in this channel, this table technique is actually one of my tricks and techniques how I can teach 3D Max the fastest. We can make this one that lower, then bigger by pressing make it bigger by rescaling this one by pressing R. Let's make this one bigger. So yan. O nga, what I'm saying is I know probably nakita nyo na tong technique na to, that I'm making a table and explaining the basic of how to navigate in 3D Max. Ang nakaganda sa technique na to is pag nagawa nyo tong table na to, probably that's a good step of learning 3D Max. And from this marami na kayo magagawang objects. For example, pwede na kayo makagawa ng cabinet, diba? You can make a cabinet by let's say shift, move this one, diba? Let's make a cabinet. Dito na naman, gawa tayo ng medyo weird na cabinet. Let's say something like that. Yan, cabinet. lagyan natin doon. Tapos let's say this is higher, and make something down here, and then move. So just moving around things, and diba? Yan. Oh my gosh. Yung fire namin dito, alarm, almost I think everyday talaga sila nagte-test. Nakakataranta if narinig nyo sa microphone ko. So yun, nakakaba talaga. So let's put this tong group na to dito. You can isolate objects by pressing the right button of the mouse as may isolate dyan. So you can focus on the things that you are working. Pwede tayo maglagay ng teapot dito. Yan. So you can make walls now for sure kasi by using the box. Yan. So yun na siya. You can change this colors by yan, mga ganyan, basic 3D Max. Tapos let's put the text, text, lagay tayo ng text. Yan. Tapos yung lagay natin dito basic 3D Max Tagalog. Yan. So yan, layout, interpolation, punta sa baba, may dyan, may extrude natin siya. Yan. So you can change the color of this dito, let's say green ulit. Yan. So basic 3D Max Tagalog here sa 3D Max Tagalog. Yan. So hope you guys like this one. Yung mga new sa 3D Max at nagtatanong how to start right away in 3D Max. I don't know how long is this tong bidyong to, pero hopefully na-cover ko yung mga basic and questions. Comment kayo sa baba for suggestions, ano yung mga gusto niyo matutunan, and probably next time we'll talk about how to do the edit poly style na modeling. Tapos siguro mga sunod is yung spline, how to model using spline. And also yung mga advanced na to is actually na-topic ko na from the old videos months ago here in this channel. And again, hopefully you like this tutorial. Basic lang to. Not for advanced people, but for the people na talagang gusto rin ma-share yung 3D Max software to other people to learn it. Hopefully maging bread and butter nila to, at kung kailangan share nyo tong channel na to them, so lahat tayo matuto. So God bless guys, and stay safe, take care. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the like button, comment. Bye.